In today's tutorial, we are going to transform this piece of text from what you see before you to this in a few simple steps. So let's begin. First things first, let's open the texture that we want to use. This is scan number 9 from our grunge paper texture pack. I will include this for free below the video, along with a handful of other goodies as well. Why not? So we will copy and paste this over to our canvas, resize it to fit, and save the canvas as displacement. We'll come back to that in a moment. Next step, let's duplicate our original text layer and drag it on top of texture, and then change the fill to 0%. With the texture selected, go to select all, edit, cut, activate quick mask mode by clicking this icon down here, or Q, then edit, paste special, and paste in place, and deselect the quick mask mode, or click Q again. Select the paint bucket tool, white, and fill the canvas, and then Command D or Control D to deselect. Doesn't look like much has happened, does it? But let's zoom in, and what you can see is that we have created a PNG texture from that JPEG. It's essentially taken all of the highlights from the texture and applied them onto this layer here. We can change the color of this layer, change the background, etc., etc. That's how you create a PNG texture from a JPEG, just for future reference. But in this case, it's very useful because we get to duplicate it like this. It stacks on top of itself, merge it all together, hold down Command or Control on the thumbnail icon, select the bottom text layer, and hit backspace or delete, and then delete that texture. And then you are left with this. And what this is, if we invert that, this is a PNG. You can drag and drop that onto anything you like, and that's what it looks like. You can change the color, and you could stop there. Very quick and easy. But we're going to carry on, as there are a few more steps that I'd like to show you. Now we come to our top layer here with the fill at 0%, right click blending options, and add an inner glow. So we'll play around with the choke and the size of this, and the opacity, of course, and the noise. The noise can add a nice little touch to these outlines, and I think I'm happy with that. And then at this point, hold down Shift, click both of the layers, merge them together with Command or Control E. And now we come back to that displacement that we saved earlier. So we're going to go to Filter, Distort, Displace. You can play around with these settings. I like 5.5 and Stretch to Fit. These I haven't experimented with too much. Click OK. Find that displacement map you had. And what this has done, it has roughed up the edges very nicely and left these little bits and pieces laying around that are cohesive with the texture that we used. And that is it. It is super quick and easy. I hope this has helped in some way. I'd love to see what you come up with. To find everything that I do, visit tomchalky.com. Thanks.